So you need extra space for the family, but a minivan is out of the question? Well, I think you're crazy, but plenty of other people out there don't, and that's why three-row SUVs are exploding in popularity lately. And once all the votes were tallied, it was the Kia Telluride that took home the top spot as the 2021 autoTRADER.ca best three-row SUV. This is a repeat win for the Telluride, with our jury of more than 20 experts from across the country coming away impressed with the way it stacks up against so many established competitors. It's cooked up with the same recipe Kia's been using for years: stuff it full of features and charge a reasonable price. Only this time it added a dash of style to the mix too. It's not easy to impress in this highly competitive segment, but the Kia Telluride is one impressive machine. It's bigger than most in the class, but doesn't drive that way, and it can be decked out like a luxury vehicle but doesn't cost that much. That sounds like a winning recipe to me.